Time to weld the diff in this thing. So we're gonna build this thing into a just kind of a general off-road rig. Nothing too crazy. Let's get this baby apart. Alright, that wasn't so bad. So if you've never seen this before, what we're doing, we gotta weld these two gears together. And there's this side and then down the bottom. These are called spider gears. So when whatever wheel has less traction will be the one that spins. You see I spin this one forwards, that one spins backwards, because those spider gears are just wheeling around. We're gonna weld that all solid, so it's just one chunk, keep her all going forward at the same time. So I'm gonna take a little bit, get this cleaned up, and then I'll set you guys back down, and we'll get to welding. If any of you guys actually weld for a living, just turn this off now. You're not gonna like it. Safety third. Well, my GoPro died as soon as I started putting this thing together. I really didn't feel like taking it back apart, but I literally just dropped everything back in, bolt her back up, put a little ring RTV all the way around it, keep the water out. So now all that's left is to bolt it back in, throw the tires on, fire it up, and see if the damn thing will move. So it looks like it works good. Everything's all together. We got both wheels locked together now. No more of this one wheel peel crap. So check back in a few weeks. There'll be another video of this thing heading out in the trails and testing her out. See how it all works. And if you like the video and you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Tell me what I should do next. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next one. See you later.